Hi everyone, I am Dr. Suwana Gauntlet, CEO of Wildlife Alliance. Today I have some exciting news for you guys. We are participating in an exhibit that highlights the importance of preserving the rainforest and its wildlife, and shows the commitment of the government in preserving one of the last unfragmented rainforests in Asia called the cardamom rainforest. Wildlife Alliance has its own special artist, Lucky Girl, the elephant from Phnom Thau. She shows on canvas strokes of color that make us feel her love of the forest, her home. Today, I want to make an appeal to our younger generation. You are a force. You have the power to make a change. Stop the snaring inside the forest that is killing many of our wildlife. Stop eating wildlife. And I would like to give special thanks to Miguel, our main artist, for making this exhibit happen and for joining our campaign.